Maraya Brown here. I am calling out to the women who want to be the pioneers. You desire to make impact in your home, in the community that you live, in the business that you're building, the endeavors that you have, and you are hungry to feel like your efforts make a difference in the world. For the women who are entrepreneurs, female CEOs, female founders, it's time. It's time for us to prioritize our foundational well-being, because often what I hear is these women, these pioneers, they're out with the machete slashing, making the path themselves, the game changers. They often are also too busy to prioritize their foundational well-being, too busy to fill up their own cup, maybe too busy to make an appointment with the healthcare provider. Maybe the healthcare provider has ordered some lab work and they're too busy to even get it done. And the reality is there's too many plates spinning on sticks and we're doing the juggling act. And what I know is that works until it doesn't. Without your health, what have you got, my friends? Without your health, what have you got? And for those of you that you hear me, okay, you are a female powerhouse, okay? And you're looking for a simple framework to feel hot, happy, and healthy despite your CEO schedule. That is who I'm speaking to. For those of you that don't know who I am, I'm Maraya Brown. I am a Yale and functional medicine trained women's health expert. I attended births for 19 years, ran the women's health in many settings, federally funded clinics, private, posh, functional medicine practices where you walk in and there's 30 tea options and a great fountain. And in 2014, my health crashed because I spent so much time serving everyone else and not making my own health a priority. And to be honest, as a healthcare provider, I was embarrassed to ask for help until there was no other option because there was nothing left of me to give. So I did a deep dive. I healed my own gut and thyroid and adrenals so that I no longer had body aches. I no longer felt exhausted. I wanted to be touched again. I re-engaged in my marriage and I re-engaged in how I serve in the community. And then I launched online. So the past 4 or 5 years, I've been serving women all over the world. Most of them are ambitious, like you, if you're watching. You're saying, yes, I want to make a difference in the world. I have gifts to give. I am feeling a little bit lost, maybe, or maybe you're very clear. But either way, you know that you have to take care of your well-being. And sometimes health feels mysterious. It feels overcomplicated. It feels too regimented. And you are a modern woman with a busy schedule and you want a simple plan to feel vibrant, to feel spectacular, to wake up energized, to be sleeping well, to have more stable mood, to feel turned on by the life that you're living. And that's who I'm talking to. And what I have for you is a free workshop. It's called the Vibrant C.E.O. I'll put the link down in the comments. It is free. Yes, my friends, it is free. It all begins May 22nd. It is much more potent if you can attend live. We'll be live on Zoom for an hour each day, 3 days. Pure, potent, powerful, productive, and game-changing for the game changers out in the world. Because the reality is, it will not work, my friends, if you continue to burn the candle at both ends, no matter how much money you're making, no matter how much impact you're having in the world, no matter how many team members that you have to figure out how in the heck you're going to make payroll. If at the end of the day, there is nothing left of you and you're depleted and putting on the game face, going out and getting the facials and the Botox and the fancy clothes and the fancy purses, but inside your body, I can look underneath the hood at your labs and your cellular health is not working. And that's why behind closed doors, you feel heavy, you feel toxic, you feel tired, you feel irritable, you're not sleeping well, and you actually feel fried. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 days. Yes, recordings are made available. Day one, we'll get into a really simple feminine framework to feel hot, happy, and healthy. Day 2, your health can actually become your unfair advantage to have your peak experience deepen your impact. Because what I know is that for the game-changing women who feel spectacular and their health is on point, it shows up in an ROI, in their bottom line, as well as the impact that they're having. Day 3, we'll gather around the proverbial fire with me as well as some of my clients, and we get to discuss taboo topics, traditions, and truths that create a vibrant, spectacular life, particularly once again for the woman who's out there showing up as the CEO. We get to tell stories and we get to give you personalized hand-holding to feel spectacular. Day 4 will be a bonus day, and that will be Q&A. Intimate, once again, closed door on Zoom. Yes, recordings are made available. Yes, you will have some concierge support, but this is one of those where you're a powerhouse woman. You don't necessarily need a whole lot of hand holding. You show up, we'll have a Google Calendar, you'll add that to it, you'll show up live, and if you can't, you'll watch the recording. Recordings will be made available for a week, but most importantly, I want you to feel spectacular. I want you to start actually prioritizing yourself, and it does not have to feel complicated. It can be simple, and you can receive support. You don't have to do it all by yourself. Okay, or go to Google Doctor, or to continue to go see providers, whether it's online or new programs, and it's regimented and you're put on all these diets and all these supplements and calorie counting, and they're ordering your labs and you're saying, they told me my labs look normal, but I don't feel normal. Okay, that in my world is crap, and I've got you. Okay, my team members have got you. And this workshop is a great starting point to really turn the boat, take the paddles out and flow downstream. All right. So I will put the link in the comments. Please register. You're also welcome to comment with any questions. Someone from my team will be there. We can get you registered yourself, and look forward to seeing you starting March 22nd. Ciao, ciao.